everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to be comparing a snow pusher versus a bucket and why I bought it, the differences between them, and which one kind of does better, which snow pusher, bucket, we already kind of know. But before I purchased mine, I was looking for information online, like videos and stuff, of the differences with a compact tractor, and all I could really find is for skid steers and bigger equipment. So today we're going to be playing with them, and hopefully this will help you maybe purchase one in the future. Alright, today we're going to be using an LS-MT225HE. It's a 25 horsepower hydrostatic drive tractor. I do have the tires loaded and a weight box on the back for extra traction. Alright, these do look a lot different in size, but really all that's different is a couple inches. Now, this one's 64 inches wide compared to 68. Only 4 differences. The biggest difference is the height. This one's 33 and this one's right around 24. Alright, there's really no good way to tell which one will kind of perform better out here besides taking them out and doing it. So there's about a 100-foot stretch here. I'm going to make 3 passes with each one, and then you can kind of decide for yourself. Alright, I'll start with the bucket and then I'll do it with the snow pusher. Well, this is it for 3 swipes. With the bucket, it's pretty hard to keep. You got to keep it perfectly level, or it'll go too far, then dig in, or if you pick it up, it'll start floating over the top. So overall, I mean, it's doable. Now we're gonna try the snow pusher, and we'll also do 3 more swipes. Alright guys, this is the here's the plow with the bucket. Come right over here with the snow pusher. Which does a heck of a lot cleaner job. I guess that's what it's intended to do. But also it'll never really dig in much, and it'll always keep scraping it right down, which is very nice. The only problem you'll ever really have, right when you drop that and get a little bit of snow in that snow pusher, you don't steer. There's very little steering you can really do unless you pick it up a little bit. But once you pick it up, it'll kind of pop off the ground, and well, then you're missing some. Alright, my final thoughts on a snow pusher on a compact tractor. If you can afford one, if you can justify getting one, get one. If I knew how good they would have worked, I would have got one a long time ago. I guess till the next video, guys, well, thank you, and it'd be awesome if you'd like and subscribe. Have a good day.